Hello guys, I'm Yugandhar. So today I'm going to present my project which is done on data analysis. Name of the project is Study Score Analysis. So in this project I analyze the scores of the students based on their parents' education, lunchtime and marriage status and siblings and studying hours. So for that I downloaded the data set from the Kaggle website. For that I have to go for Kaggle and go for datasets, and so we have to search for some dataset. I search for one dataset regarding students educational purpose. Then I downloaded that, and I downloaded the CSV file and I dumped it into this file Jupyter. Then when we start before starting this project, we have to download pandas, numpy, seaborn and matplotlib, and after that we have to import, and each one we have to run by using this run symbol. Then I read CSV file with a file name. Then I write data head to get top 5 rows from the dataset, and you can see these 5 rows. And if you want to how many rows and columns are present in this dataset, we have to write data dot shape. It will shows the rows and columns. Rows are 3000 plus and columns are 15. So if you want to know the info of the dataset, like we have to use data dot info. Then after clicking the info we can study this data, and these are the rows, and each row nearly none values are this, and the data type shows of each row like object or int or float, and finally shows the memory used for this dataset. And after that, if you want to know the null values in the dataset to cleaning the data, we use is null dot sum. It will count the number of null values present in the each column. So in each column this much of null values are there. And if for cleaning purpose I deleted uh, one row which is unnecessary for analyzing. So the name of the row is unnamed 0. So I deleted that by using drop method, and I take the top 5, so it was removed. Then I want to analyze the male and female students of in this dataset. So for that I used the count plot. uh, for as an argument I give data and column to analyze. So this is a count plot. So it count the female and male. Mostly female students are more greater than the male. Uh, then just now I'm going for analysis. So for that I want to analyze the student scores of based on parents education. So uh, by using the grouping, I divided the parent educations, and I done mean for a score of each students. So we can see the average marks or mean marks of the maths and reading and writing for the educational purpose of the parents education. So for that I use the heat map plotting. So it is a one of the advanced plotting which is available Seaborn. So by using the title method we can give title for that plot. So we can observe this that lighter areas are have a good percent, darker darker boxes have a less percentage. So which by seeing this analysis we can say that the parent have a good degree, then their child have a good percentage. So you can see that master degree is a highest degree compared to other degrees. So highest percentage is 72 in this row, this column. Second is btech, so second percentage is 70, ongoing that like this is repeated for this also, this row also, and this row also, this column also, for writing and reading scores. So after that I want to analyze that based on parent marriage status. So the scores of the child was analyzed. So if the divorce happened, the percentage is in this row for marriage and single and widowed. And so by using the title method, I write the title for this plot. So we can observe that there is no much more difference in marriage status of the marks. Almost everything is equal. So there is no effect on the marriage of the parent status. And next I want to divide students of students in each group. So first of all I want to know the how many groups are present based on data ethnic group. Unique, I find it the all groups are available in the data set. So there are 5 rows, a b c c d e. So just I want to know that if the group for each a group is equal, then I want to know how many rows are there equal to a. Then I counted each row. For the same way I counted group b, group c, group d, group e. And finally I take that values in the list, and I plotted the pie diagram, pie plot, and with the name of distribution of groups. So this is a pie plot, you can see this. So if a group A is less compared to other groups, second B, we can see C is the highest percentage have in the description group. Then I want to analyze the data of the students based on their study hours. So I take the column of weekly study hours, and I by using the grouping method I grouped the column, and I done aggregation. Then for I tried mean values for math score and reading score and writing score. So then this is a analysis of that. Now we can check, is there any difference. So the student who study greater than 10 hours have a good marks compared to other students. So we can see this, this student have a highest marks more than 10 hours he's studying. So compared to this column he is the highest person, and compared to others this is the highest, and compared to others this is the highest. So who studies more than 10 hours compared to others, he has the highest value, highest marks, the average marks for each and every subject. So this is my analysis of my project. Thank you. So next time I come with another project. Thank you.